National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Smith County in southwestern Virginia, Tazewell County in southwestern Virginia, Western Bland County in southwestern Virginia, Western Worth County in southwestern Virginia, Western Grayson County in southwestern Virginia, southwestern Mercer County in southeastern West Virginia, until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:07 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles east of Grundy to near Lebanon to near Bristol, Virginia, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Marion, Rich Lands, Bluefield, Tazewell, Saltville, Chilhowie, and Rural Retreat.